Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make your own caramel popcorn, full guide. Start by popping 12 cups of popcorn and lining a sheet with parchment. Measure 1 cup sugar, 1/2 cup butter, 1/2 cup corn syrup, and 1/4 teaspoons salt. Heat in a heavy saucepan over medium, stirring until sugar dissolves, then boil without stirring to amber caramel. Make a deep, shiny caramel by boiling your sugar, butter, corn syrup, and salt to 300 degrees F on a candy thermometer. Remove from heat and stir in 2 teaspoons vanilla and 2 tablespoons baking soda, which aerates the caramel for a lighter crunch. Immediately pour the caramel over the 12 cups of popcorn and use a spatula to fold gently until pieces are evenly coated and glossy. Transfer the caramel-coated popcorn to a prepared sheet pan and spread it in a single layer for even cooling. Bake at 250 degrees F for 30 minutes, stirring every 10 minutes to ensure each kernel crisps uniformly. Once finished, allow the popcorn to cool completely on the pan before breaking into clusters. This prevents stickiness and yields perfect crunch for snacking or gifting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.